Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the maximum loan amount from SoFi. The maximum loan amount you can get from SoFi depends on the specific loan product you are applying for. Personal loans. For a SoFi personal loan, the maximum amount you can borrow is $100,000. This is one of the higher limits in the personal loan market, and these funds can be used for a variety of purposes such as debt consolidation, home improvement, or medical expenses. Home loans, mortgages. The maximum loan amount for a SoFi mortgage is significantly higher, especially with a jumbo loan. SoFi offers jumbo mortgage loans for amounts that exceed the conforming loan limits set by the Federal Housing Finance Agency. The maximum loan amount for a SoFi jumbo loan is $3 million. It is important to note that the actual conforming loan limit, which is a lower amount, varies by county across the United States. A loan above that limit is considered a jumbo loan. Home equity. SoFi also offers a home equity line of credit, or HELOC. The maximum amount you can access with a SoFi HELOC is generally up to 90% of your home's equity, or up to $500,000. Other loans. For their other products, the maximums also vary. For private student loans, there is generally no limit as long as the school certifies the cost of attendance. For student loan refinancing, the maximum amount is the full balance of your qualified education loans. In summary, for a standard personal loan, the max is $100,000. For a mortgage, it can be up to $3 million with a jumbo loan. The amount you are ultimately approved for will depend on your creditworthiness, income, and other financial qualifications. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.